Hello everyone, welcome to Botany for Neet. Let us solve a question asked in Neet examination. Match list 1 with list 2. Cohesion, adhesion, surface tension, guttation, more attraction in liquid phase, mutual attraction among water molecules, water loss in liquid phase, attraction towards polar surfaces. So, I have uploaded two videos related to transportation of substances in plants. In that, we have discussed about the cohesion tension theory, which is also known as transpiration pull or the ascent of sap. So it actually explains how transportation takes place in plants against gravity, how the water which is taken up by the roots is going all the way up till and reaches till the leaves. Just imagine in case of tall trees like sequoia or the pine trees. So in the cohesion tension theory proposed by Dixon and Joly, it's explained actually how the transportation occurs against gravity. So now when water molecules have to move from the roots all the way up against gravity, then the water molecules should go in a column without breaking. So we know the structure of water is this, right? It has a bent V-shaped structure basically. So these water molecules, oxygen is electronegative and hydrogen is electropositive. Electronegative, electropositive. As a result, they start forming hydrogen bonds. Okay. These hydrogen bonds are very weak bonds, but still, when there are many such hydrogen bonds, then what happens? It is quite strong as there are many molecules having the hydrogen bond. As a result, this hydrogen bond allows the water to move in the form of a continuous column. So, the main reason that the water is moving in a continuous column without any interruption or break is because of this hydrogen bonds. So, this attraction between the water molecules by hydrogen bond is called cohesion. So, what is cohesion? It is the mutual attraction among water molecules. Okay, so cohesion is allowing the water molecules to move against gravity in a continuous column. Now, what is adhesion? So, as the water molecules are moving, there is attraction between water molecules and the walls of xylem, xylem vessels, xylem tracheids, whatever cells. So there is attraction between water molecule and the walls of the xylem. That is called adhesion. So adhesion is attraction towards polar surfaces. So where water it starts attracting towards certain groups which are present in xylem. Xylem is rich in cellulose, pectin, hemicellulose. So with those groups it starts binding. Okay. So adhesion it shows attraction towards polar surfaces. Cohesion mutual attraction which allows the water to move in a continuous column. Now, have you ever observed the process of guttation? Guttation usually occurs because of root pressure. What is guttation? It is loss of water in the form of water droplet. This is important, please note, because in case of transpiration, if you see, if you consider transpiration, just a minute, transpiration, it is also loss of water, but the loss of water is in the form of water vapor. Okay, but here and it occurs through the stomata or cuticle or the lenticels, but major transpiration occurs through stomata and followed by cuticle. Lenticels are very the transpiration occurring through lenticels is very negligible, very less. Major transpiration process takes place through stomata. Okay, so the point to remember or note down is loss of water occurs in the form of water vapor in transpiration. But in guttation, what actually happens is there will be loss of water in the form of water droplet, and this loss of water droplet occurs through the margins of the leaves. And this is due to root pressure, high root pressure. Okay, so guttation is water loss in liquid phase. Surface tension. So surface tension is basically where it is the elasticity which allows basically any organisms even to float on the surface of water, or in terms of plants we can say surface tension is more attraction in liquid phase. Basically certain insects like your water striders, there are certain insects which can float on the surface of water. That's because they have more attracted towards the liquid phase. So cohesion, it is actually, it helps the water molecules. If you can see here, this is the representation of water molecule, where this is oxygen atom and this is hydrogen and hydrogen, where they are linked by hydrogen bonds. It allows the water to move in a continuous column. So mutual attraction among water molecules, A2. Okay. Adhesion, it is attraction towards polar surface like water. It is moving in a continuous tube and also it is flowing through the xylem tubes. So there is attraction between water along with the walls of the xylem. So that is adhesion. Attraction towards polar surface. B4. Okay. Guttation, water loss in liquid phase. D3 and C1. So the correct option for this question will be 1. Option 1 is the right answer. Okay, it's very important that you remember transpiration is loss of water in the form of water vapor, but guttation, here the loss of water occurs by water droplet, where it occurs from margins of the leaves. I hope you understood the answer for this question. Please feel free to comment any doubts. Thank you.